Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller, and I love making videos of unboxings, what sold, and haul videos. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp fun box. But first I wanted to mention a couple of things. Number one, I am going to be part of a collaboration coming up that is starting on February 5th. And it is a jewelry unboxing, and we each got a Valentine assigned to us, a person from the collaboration from the group, and we sent them a box of jewelry from a specific list of brands, and then some sterling silver, and myself and my Valentine will be opening it on the same day, so one after the other. So it starts February 5th, goes through the 10th, so keep your eyes out for that. I'm not the biggest jewelry knower on earth, but I do love jewelry and I wear it a lot, of course, and so I can't wait. I can't wait to see what I got. I can't wait to see what my Galentine thinks of what she got. I am today wearing this necklace that I got from Brighton, over at Brighten Your Day. Oh my, I love it so much. You might be thinking, well, you're wearing it with a pink t-shirt. I know, I am. I'm wearing it with this shirt. And this shirt, I designed this. I used AI and I designed this, and I designed the pig and I made it into high resolution, and I imported it and I had it printed at Printify. I used to have a store with all my AI generated images, but I'm too busy. I have too many things going on, so I don't. But anyway, isn't it cute? This is my favorite design that I made. This cute little pig wearing kind of a Nordic sweater. And this necklace goes perfectly with it. And along with that, I am wearing this J. Crew bracelet that I got from Lindsay Clark. Oh my gosh, it fits me perfectly. And it's stars, and it goes right around my wrist. Like, it fits me. See how it just wraps right around? I feel a little bit like Wonder Woman, and it's really fun. So, okay, anyway, let's do this unboxing. And it is a fun box. Like I said, you get 10 pieces, and it's $34 plus tax and shipping. It comes to $50. So, per item, it's about $5 per item. So, it's really lightweight, and it's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which they all are now. So, that's really not even worth mentioning anymore. Probably won't mention that anymore, but anyway, I'm kind of excited. I love fun boxes. Although the shoe box and the designer box are tied for first place, but sometimes you get a really good fun box. Maybe I'll get one today. You never know. You never know. All right, let's see what we've got. Make sure this is what I think it is. So, yeah, $34 rescue fun box. And by the way, for anyone who's new here, these are items that people sent in to ThredUp that ThredUp either doesn't sell or could not sell. ThredUp does not sell, for example, brand new bras. It doesn't sell socks or bras or things like that. Some people send in brand new socks, brand new bras, and sometimes they'll find those in these boxes. You don't get used bras or used socks. Thank God for that, because no interest in that. All right, anyway, here is the first look. Nothing big there, but let's take a real first look with some items in the picture. Oh, nice. Okay. I don't see any woohoo moments yet, but I mean, oh wait, maybe. What is this? Wait, okay, that's different. There's two things inside this hat. Oh, this is a beautiful hat. Look at this hat. Let's see. I feel a little bit like a pirate with this hat on. But no, you know what? It feels like an expensive hat, but the tag has been torn out. What a bummer. But it is so beautiful. Look at the color. It's blue, and it feels like real wool. It feels like felt. You know, hats are made of felt or wool. I don't know. I'm really bummed that the tag has been torn out. It's got the gross grain ribbon on the inside, but there's no tag. But it is really a cute hat. So I don't know if anyone wants that hat. I just don't wear hats like that. I just don't. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, wait till you see what I got. Okay, anyway. First, I can't even believe this. I was just saying how the other ones are my favorite, but there could be a tie happening by the end of this box. We'll see. All right. Mina Baie, Los Angeles is the next thing. Comes in this little bag here. And then I guess it's a Mina Baie. It's a chain it's a purse strap, I guess. I'm just going to give you a little peek because it's still got the protective wrapping on it. There's the logo. You can see the name right here. I suspect this is not a cheap brand at all, because Otherwise it wouldn't come in this bag and it would not have the name on the hardware here. So this is a chain strap for a purse. I do believe, I'm gonna look it up and I'll have it on screen for you, but it comes like this. It's all wrapped, and I can just tell that's gonna sell somewhere, either on here or on eBay. I don't know which one yet, but wait till you see the next thing. This is probably the best thing in the box. I don't know, I can't be sure, but oh my gosh. This is a Coach, I think it's a purse charm, and it says love, and it's got the red enamel logo on there. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna kind of turn it around so you can see the different letters. It looks in really good shape. It looks new, actually. I don't see anywhere to this. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't see anywhere to it. It's got some cute little hearts on there. It's really cute. Incidentally, I'm with the help of my husband, I'm working on making my own purse charms, and I'm going to be selling them out here. And so that is exciting. So I will have those sometime. I don't know when, but anyway, moving on. The purse Coach charm is adorable. These are cute. These look like kind of vintagey feel gloves. Let's see here. And they're brand new with tags, and they're I Am brand. $14.99 price tag on them. They're really nice. They've got these cute buttons. Do you see that button detail there? That's really, really cute. I have actually, believe it or not, pretty big hands, and so I doubt these look tiny. What size are they? It doesn't say what size, but I doubt they're gonna fit me. Let's just try and see. Oh no, I can't even get my hand in there. I think that's a size small. I wear, like, look at my hands are kind of big. So, I mean, I got wide joints. Anyway, those are adorable. I'm geeking out about that Coach charm. I'm so excited. Okay. All right, this is great. And I should be keeping this, but I probably won't. I'll probably sell it. This is a shoe bag for your luggage. So you don't have to have, your shoes touch some pretty icky stuff. You really don't want it next to your clothes. A lot of people don't care. To be honest, I do put mine away from my clothing, but I don't have a special bag for it. But it's a shoe bag for your luggage. It's a great idea to have that. Let's see, insert. Oh, you can insert it. It's saying you can insert it here. Well, that's weird. But anyway, okay, it's purple. It's kind of a heather purple. It's a shoe bag. It's really nice. Let's see what the inside is like. It doesn't look like it was ever used. Like I said, most of the things you get in this box are new. Rarely do you get any used ones. It doesn't have any wear. It doesn't show anywhere. There's no tags on it though either. So that is the shoe bag. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Let's see. All right. Next up is this ponytail beanie by Pony Flow. Pony Flow. That's cute. That's a cute hat. It's got these floppy pom-poms on it. And with your bun out. Oh, I see. You can put I see. There's a hole at the top so you can put your ponytail or your bun out. I guess it's a good idea. I wouldn't waste my time messing around with that, but if I'm going to put on a hat, I just put on the hat and my hair gets messed up. That's all there is to it. Patent pending. Ponytail beanie. Okay, well it's a cool idea, that's for sure. If someone really wanted to do this, they could still have their hair hanging out. So it's a really good idea. So yeah. And the David and Young is the name of the company that makes this. So tag's still attached. Cute. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to be selling these. I'm going to be keeping them. I just dropped them. Hold on. I'm not going to be selling these. I love fishnet stockings. I love fishnet stockings. You can wear them with so many things. Or they're tights, actually. Fishnet tights. I love them. They're perfect and they'll fit me. And look at this. They're just so, so cute. They just really make an outfit look cool. So I'm keeping those. Fishnet tights. I don't think they're real expensive anyway, but okay. Okay, what is next? I love this box. All right, ski over the calf Columbia ski socks, size medium. Are they men's or women's? I don't know. Medium weight ski socks. My husband is a really good skier, by the way. He goes skiing in Switzerland, Colorado. He used to live in Colorado. He's a good skier. I have not brought myself to go skiing since I broke my ankle many years ago. I just am too nervous to do it. So I don't really ski anymore, but he and his sons go skiing. So, all right, this is a size medium. I don't know if it's men's or women's. So let's see. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. $21. Let's see. $21 is the price on that though. Ski socks. Okay, cool. I like those. He might want them. I don't know. I'm going to ask him and see if he does. What's this? I don't know. What is that? It's a bag of rings or something? That doesn't seem right. Let's see. Well, it is a bag of rings. It's like a puzzle ring or something. I don't... I guess you take these rings and you kind of pile them up together. Okay, I'm going to show you the first one because this one has like a little gemstone kind of thing on it. That's the first one. And like I said, I have big, it fits on my pinky finger. Okay, put them here, here. And then here's kind of like a braided one. I have a ring sizer, so I will get the size and put it on screen for you. Here's another one that's kind of cool looking. It's this shape. I guess they're stackable and you just put them all on your finger. I don't know. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 of them. You just stack them up. I don't know. They're kind of cute. You can put all those on there. Yeah. So I'm going to guess they're about a size 6.5 or 7, but I'm not really sure. As I said, I have big hands and I have big joints. So, all right. It's a bag of rings. No clue. No brand. I don't know. I'll see if there's any markings, but I don't think there are. I don't think there are any markings. They're really cute though. Stackable rings. All right. I don't know. You just never know what you're going to get. I swear you just never know what you're going to get. Okay. What is this? Now, was this in... Okay, here is a... This looks like a baby... This is tiny. Like, I have pretty small wrists, but this is really tiny. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It looks like it's either a kid's bracelet or someone really, really small. Like, that is really tiny. Like, look at, I can put 3 fingers in there, you know? I mean, that's how little it is. So, it's got that cute tie, pretzel kind of tie on there. There's some wear to it, though. Some of the color has worn off. So, I'll look for markings, but nah, I don't know about that one. All right. What is next? Okay, we've got a letter J. It's a gold colored necklace, gold tone necklace. I don't know if it's, I doubt it's real gold or anything, but is there any marking on it? I don't see any marking on it, but it's a J necklace. And, you know, I'll have to get the dimension, but oops, it just hangs like that. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know. I don't think there's any branding on it. I don't see any, but I'll look with my trusty. I brought this time, just in case I need to look anything up. See, remember my cute little turtle? It's so cute. I love it. All right, we just have a couple things left now. Let's see what it is. DIY 2-minute DIY nail package. Eunice 2-minute nail. I don't know how good your nails would look if you do them in 2 minutes. I really don't know. Maybe they would look great. I don't know. These are really pretty. Look at, they match with my shirt. I mean, look at that. They're really pretty. I bet they're, let's see, the ultimate nail makeover in minutes. Push, let's see. Choose the appropriate size. There's adhesive tape. Okay, so they're nails that you do with adhesive tape. And then it comes with this, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. And then it comes with this sticker. It almost looks like UNICEF, but it's Eunice. So, okay, little nail set, new, never been used, obviously. That's all comes in a bag here. So that's a Eunice nail set. Okay, and there's one more thing, and that is, let's see, a size medium. Ooh La La Cherie is the brand name. And it is some lingerie. Here it is. Okay, that is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. I love it. That is gorgeous, actually. It doesn't have a price tag on it, but I'm just going to show you what the picture looks like. It's a size medium. And here's the back of the price, back of the tag. Ooh la la, chérie. So it's this black lacy lingerie. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So yeah. All right. Well, I mean, there's some good items in this box. Will I make my money back? Yes, I will. I definitely will. So okay, we've got the lingerie. We have got the nails in a minute with the adhesive backing, and you're supposed to be able to do it in 2 minutes. I don't know how you can do that, but anyway, the J necklace, the tiny bracelet with some color worn off, the set of the gold tone stacking rings, these ski socks, the tights that I'm keeping, which I love, the ponytail hat, let's see, the shoe bag, the small gloves, this purse strap, which I swear that's going to be worth some money, the Coach keychain, or I think it could probably be either a keychain or a purse charm, but I think it's a purse charm. That's what it's made for. And then last but not least, this hat. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in buying anything, send me a note to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. I invoice with PayPal, but you don't have to have PayPal. You can pay with any credit card or debit card. So, or you can pay with your PayPal balance, whatever you would like. Anyway, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more information on our collaboration coming up, and have a wonderful day.